Friday futures trading with the xBrat AI app. Day trading in this example with ES and YM. These are the notifications, and these are the active trades in the active asset classes. We're going to look specifically at ES and YM in this situation. Remember, xBrat AI analyzes over 30,000 different confluence combinations for every asset. It automatically sets the best configuration for each week. On Friday, the 10th of October, we witnessed a strong negative reaction to the Trump-China tariff announcement, and the xBrat AI captured this move short, all the way to the close. This is how the confluence starts to build, shown here on the bottom right-hand chart. As you can see, this helps you understand how confluence builds from data. We can see an anchor strategy, followed by confirmation from other strategies, increasing directional flow. On the top left chart, you can see those confirmation lines forming at 15:06 UTC and then again at 15:18. The final piece of the confluence jigsaw comes together, and we get the trade. The entry is marked by this arrow here on the lower right chart. When all of those lights come together, that's the active trade, and you'll receive the push notification in the app. Here's an expanded view just to show visually how that trade played out and what to do on a Friday. We send push notifications for every stop price update. Each update locks in more profit, so if you're trading futures, simply adjust your stop when the app notifies you. On Fridays, it's very important not to carry a trade over the weekend. So, before the Friday market close out your trade. That move was 651 ticks profit. In real terms, one contract equals $5 per tick. That's 651 times $5 equals $3,255 profit per contract. Around the same time, we also had a short trade on ES. The confluence started a little earlier here, so your app lights would have turned on slightly sooner, around 14:42 and again at 15:12, with the final confirmation and trade entry. A little later, but the principle is the same. Increased directional flow lights up the system, and we enter the short. To visualize what we send you in the app, look at this example. New stop price, 6,682.25. That's roughly where this purple arrow is marked. But again, as we approach the market close on Friday, we flatten the trade. This trade returned 670 ticks profit. That's 670 times $12.50 equals $8,375 profit per one contract, all from a single Friday trade. But remember, do not carry these positions over a weekend. Now, for more advanced traders, let's look at a crypto perpetual futures example taken around the same time. Down here, on Friday the 10th of October, around 3 p.m., again during the Trump tariff reaction. This example is for the cryptocurrency SUI, taken directly from the app. This was another short trade with a max leverage of 23. We offer full education on the app for perpetual futures to teach traders how to use leverage responsibly. This move continued through the weekend, closing on Sunday, the 12th of October. Unlike traditional futures, crypto perpetual futures trade 24/7. This move delivered a 23.79% price change. Multiply that by 23 times leverage, and you get a total gain of roughly 547% on that trade alone. This shows how we can trade traditional futures, like indexes, gold, or oil, and close before the weekend. But with crypto perpetual futures, we can extend trades through the weekend if the setup remains strong. With xBrat AI, we prioritize quality over quantity. Every trade setup is AI-driven, tested across tens of thousands of confluence combinations, and proven over decades of strategy refinement. That was Friday Futures Day trading with the xBrat AI app. Scan the QR code and get involved with this AI-powered, xBrat-proven trading strategy.